Now, let's look at selection, how to select something. All right, so me clicking on any item, right? Me clicking on anything in AutoCAD will select it. If I want to deselect, I can just hit escape. So I click on this, it will be selected. And then I go back and click on that, it will be selected. All right. So you can select this way, or you can drag. So say for instance, drag here. What I mean is you hold down the left mouse button and then you move. Now once you drag around any item, it will be selected, but that is not the whole picture. So we can use what we call windows to perform selection in AutoCAD. So there are two windows. If I click on my left and move to my right, I have a blue selection box. It's called a window. So I click on the left first and move to the right. That is a window. If I click on my right and move to the left, I have a green selection box. The green one is called a crossing window. So um for a window, which is the blue one, it has to go around the entire object before it was selected. So if you look at the window that I've just drawn, because it's going around the horizontal line, you see that the horizontal line is highlighted in blue. When I click now, the horizontal line will be selected. Okay, so say for instance, if I want to select this entire thing here, I'd have to draw the window around the entire thing like that. So I click on the left side and then move to my right and click. Okay, so that is how the window works, the blue one. The crossing window works like this. That one, even if the tiniest portion of the crossing window touches any object, it will select it. So let's say for instance, mind you, that one is drawn from right to left. So if I click on the right here and I move to the left like this, you see that these items have been selected because, you know, a little portion of them were caught up in the crossing window. So that's the difference between the two. Now, uh, if you want some kind of a regular polygon to form the boundaries of the window or the crossing window, you click and click. This is what I mean. So if I click here and then click there, that gives me a rectangular or a four-sided body. If I drag, so I hold down the left mouse button and I move, now I have an irregular shaped bounding box or crossing window. The same for the blue one, which is the window. So for the blue one too, if I click on the left and move to my right, this time I'm not clicking, but I hold down the left mouse button and then I move. So basically I'm dragging around. So this is the difference between whether or not you want an irregular shaped window or you want a regular shaped window, and this is how they are used.